PJ's Chimney, second ascent probably. I don't know if anyone else has climbed this.
Right.
Climbing. Yeah, that's the second ascent.
Thinking about putting you on belay, but
if you think that's the right choice, you go ahead and do it. Get a thing in here, maybe. I'll pull this with no gear. Fucking sandy. No. It's a tree. It's a tree. You have another 3? Can you reach it real quick? Or do you have it on you?
No, I'll grab it though.
Yeah.
You're never on belay, so
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't have to tell you to get off.
What?
It's hard to walk around with belay specs on.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
You're on.
It's clipped. Is there anything under here?
Nope.
Okay.
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
Oh yeah, this is the channel's first guest climber.
Oh, guest climber, yeah. Crispy Rick Becerra. Awesome juggy jugs. Juicy juice.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, that's 5'7", 5'8". I don't know. Not much of a climber. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the guest climbers could be like biography. I'm not much of a climber.
How's that look? That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, come on. These flimsy little slingies. Clipping, John.
Oh yeah.
How did I get out here last time? How did I do this? It's gotta be a jug or something. Eee. It's good feetsies, just gotta climb out. How did we do this? I definitely didn't stack, because I'm not that kind of climber. Oh, there's a jug, yeah.
Don't eat it.
It's sandy.
Don't just look at it. Eat it.
Alright. Cool. Here's to these not breaking off.
Yeah, it's that orange, man. So you gotta be real careful. Inverted armbar above your head.
That's the move.
Nice job, man.
There we go. That's why they call it PJ's Chimney.
Nice job.
Should have brought more big gear.
You have 1.4 on you.
Might be able to get that in.
That's it.
placement's ass. Make it a little worse. Okay.
10 more feet.
I know, right?
You got it, man. Longer than the last time.
I probably am. Okay. Now I can get up in here, and then it's really easy. I wonder if I can just... That's terrible, terrible. Oh no, not. There we go. I'm gonna passive this 4 up here. Give me a C. Give me a R. Give me a give me a blah. What does it smell? Climb. Yeah, we're good. It's easy from here. So easy from here. It's so easy. Oh, damn. I think you're right. I think there is a little skinny piece up here. And this, wait, go. What? Yeah. Can I get in there? Can I get in there?
A little taste of the gunks for you.
Horizontal placements?
Yeah.
Oh no. Something bigger. Probably. That probably works. Hey, look at that. They're even kind of equalized. Alright, what the fuck did I do here? Did I go up more? Into this bush? Or did I come out and around? Are the anchors? I guess we're gonna go up and find out. I feel like I walked over there maybe? But I think the anchors are higher. So we are gonna go higher. 2 stars might be too good of a rating for this.
Yeah, revoke some stars so we can get the chops.
Get the shitty.
Downgrade everything right before the chops.
I was thinking that too. Be really poor sports about it. I guess if I float over here. Yeah, I think I went up a little though. Because I feel like when I traversed, I just went straight to the anchors. I don't think I had to climb up that much.
Well, I remember it was pretty hard left to a Waco. If you can get around the corner, look for that Waco.
The Waco on the face or inside this chimney?
On the face.
Oh. Well, okay. Here's what we'll do. I'll come up here. That's fine. Shit. No, it's never mind. Christ almighty. Get me the fuck out of here. Yeah, the big Waco's up here.
Okay, cool.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, it's right there. I did the right thing.
Okay.
I'll pull on a stick. There we go.
Might be worth burning another sling, but not you.
I just slung the branch up here.
Okay.
It's kind of...
120?
No, it's a wrapped 60. It'll be good.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just, here, I'm gonna pull some rope. Yeah, I'm gonna come down.
Yeah, there you go.
Put it off here. There we go. That's better. And there's holds and shit here. Oh yeah, big holds. Oh. I banged my fucking knee. Oh yeah, there is tiny gear up here. You remembered, right? Tighten this helmet. There we go. That's better. Nice. Good thing I brought the littles. Can we get a tasty totem placement in here? Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, let's climb some finger crack to the top of this other. Wow, that's wide. Okay. Might want the bigger shit for that line. Huh. Okay. Here we got holds. Just walk up here. On a Halifax pier, the last the birds brave the tears. Ooh. Yeah. These are garbage holes. That one's good. Ooh, that's a bucket. That's a nice place. Now I'll put my black totem in and then get them chains. This baby always holds. Pull a little bit more for me. That feels nice. Okay. That's a better foot. So. Yeah. That's not so bad. That was not so bad. The fuck are my quick draws? I'm gonna grab a chain like a dirty little bitch.